Hello.
Hey, hey,
Yeah,
hey,
bring her up.
sexy.
Bring up the cat. Bring up her.
Hey, sexy. Hey, sexy.
Oh yeah, take that camera. Oh. Yes.
You
So-
cook some rice first, maybe?
Yeah.
You hungry?
Yeah. What we gonna start with? Which
I'm gonna cut the career.
curry? Yeah.
Yeah. And chicken.
Chicken.
Yeah, we're gonna cut in small pieces. And pineapple. Cut it too.
Nice.
And we have chili, of course. Wow, you prepare, man.
Yeah. Gonna be an experience. Gonna change the camera. Can do this. Gonna start this phone.
You have a good night?
I had a baby running around. It was
Okay.
like everything was down on the ground. It was like a baby everywhere, throwing down stuff and being crazy. Being baby, you know.
Maybe, yeah. Let's go.
Go in here. Now this one should work. We just need to start that one. Media source. Come on. Come on. Stream here.
Come on, you baby.
Click here, properties. Just to see if you have the right one. Oh, now.
No.
Yeah.
Just see my dick, man.
Yeah. That's what we want to see.
Sure. That one is good. It's good camera too.
Yeah, it's. I think we can get like a good angle.
I can have the knee.
No, it's here.
Yeah, bro.
It's good.
Yeah.
I like that one.
Yeah, that one is
That's the one I usually use.
so neat. We do it. Should I prepare them for a little bit?
Yeah.
And after that we can say hi.
Okay. Yeah. Let's see, we're gonna move this one down here. In the middle. Gonna pour up coffee for you.
Thank you.
You want milk?
Yeah, tack. Thai in the house.
Time out.
We're gonna slice small pieces.
So we're gonna chop them up.
Yeah. Bamboo scotch.
Yes.
Nice. That's the best thing in the curry.
Oh yeah, I love the crunchiness.
Yeah. Good. Cassie.
What's that?
No.
You don't want? No?
No, eat meat. It's weird cat.
No, she eats, but she's like, fuck you.
So I can have something to put
Yeah, bowl.
like the cup bowl or something. Yeah.
Bigger or...
That's it.
Yeah.
Be nice.
True master chef, yeah.
I in the house. All is spicy food today.
Yeah, no, that's not my thing.
Yeah.
Garton was like, oh, you can do some, like, it's gonna be any, like, food boxes.
Yeah.
I was like, yeah. I didn't
You
say
have a lot of food.
I didn't say anything about it being spicy.
But she will eat spicy, yeah?
She can eat spicy, but she's gonna be like, oh no, I'm not gonna eat that much. Usually, when I do the taco thing, I like maybe use half or more than half, like 70% of this one. The rest I chop up in like these pieces,
Yeah.
down in the
Fish.
pan, and then have like soya with honey sauce. And like we do it so it's like where there's soya and some. It's so good.
Nice.
quick only. Yo!
Yo.
How are you, Erika?
You're on the live stream now?
Yeah.
Okay.
And here you have the chat.
So, 1 million people watching us?
Yeah, always. That's the thought you need to have. Like it's always 1 million people watching us.
Yeah, that's nice. Maybe not Thai people?
No, you never know.
No.
Oh.
Hello, everyone.
His
Hello.
name is Thai.
Yeah.
I am good. I'm gonna say. I'm gonna can spell it out. Thai.
Thai in the house.
We're gonna do a curry, a Thai curry, and it's gonna be extra spicy because you know.
Because I'm here.
Yeah.
And we're gonna do Thai basilica.
That's a good one.
Yeah. With the dry chili.
And we're gonna do barbecue cat.
Yes, that's later. Barbecue. You want me to cut everything or you can do everything?
No, we can like save 3 pieces.
Yeah, we can save.
So I can do something in the.
Yeah. That would be great. It's gonna be a lot of foods.
Oh yeah. Basilica, Thai basilica thing.
And the dry chili on it.
And dry chili.
They're more spicy than fresh chili.
And everything is like extra spicy.
Yes.
We like it extra spicy.
So the chicken, we're
It's gonna be
cut like this first.
okay. It sounds good.
Sound good? Yeah. Did we buy paprika too? Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
They know which colors that we can mix.
Yeah, we can mix.
Which kind of pieces you want it in?
Small,
Big.
like this.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
You can fix that. Here we can see me in a long distance.
Professional.
Oh, I know. Paprika is the most important thing to have.
Yeah.
No, I have been having a kid over here, so I had a kid that he was trashing the whole apartment, and it was like so chaotic. So just like after work today, I needed to fix everything, put everything on the same place. The kid fell from everywhere.
Yeah.
He did go into my room, like the bedroom, and then we heard like a big boom. It was the mirror falling somewhere. I don't know if it hit him, but just before that he fall down on the floor and hit his head also, so it was like chaotic. It was my friend's kid.
Your friend's kids.
Yeah.
Not your kids.
No, I don't have kids. Disgusting. I have cats.
You have a cat.
We have cat that's looking at us.
cat.
Yeah, barbecue cat.
Oh God. It's very good. Very good meat.
On her, yes.
Yeah. In Thailand, we use the cat for the steam with lemon.
You hear that? You're gonna be steamed with lemon. You only have lime though. It's gonna be steamed with lime.
With soy, yeah?
No.
No, she's so cute.
Yeah. The thing is. No, like his kid is okay, but other kids are no. I'd rather not have kids by my own. I'd rather have cats.
We're gonna cook some rice now. Jasmine rice. It's good. Maybe we take like 500 grams. clean it up.
Okay, yeah, you clean it up with the hand though.
Yeah.
But you can do this. Show how you did with the cleaning.
Yeah, clean right foot. So maybe 2 pounds.
Now we know how to clean rice.
Yeah. You have to clean every time when you cook.
Yeah, but I'm too lazy.
Nice.
Or usually I'm letting the girlfriend do the rice. I usually never do the rice. Yeah, I only do the rest. But now we know how to.
Yeah, now you know.
Think of this. A cat is pretty chill. It's nice. Okay, no, it can be fucking painful too, but my brother, he got 2 cats from my sister, and one of the cat, it was the worst cat ever. Snoriga, oof. But that cat, he was like peeing on the like gardiner, and he was like running around and destroying stuff, trying to choke you when you sleep. He got one of the worst cats I've been seeing.
That's super sweet, this one.
Oh yeah,
Nice.
you see, I picked the good ones. No, I didn't even pick it. Ika did pick it for me.
Yeah, but that's great.
Now it's laying on your face when you're trying to sleep, and my brother, he was like, he was not sure if he was allergic against cats. And he was like doing the, like, oh no, I get the cat, see if I'm still allergic. Cat lay on his face, and he's getting like swollen, and
Is he allergic?
yeah, he was allergic. And the cat did lay down on the face, and he's like,
He cannot breathe.
and he did breathe with the nose, and then he couldn't breathe because. Yeah.
Yes. Gonna get more flavor in the curry, you know?
Yeah.
Like more sweet, sour in the curry. That's why I use the pineapple in the curry.
Ah. It's always good with extra like stuff.
Yeah.
Like I'm usually not a big fan of, but when we bought one like for the taco. Usually I only buy the conserve and like in the cans.
Yeah, okay.
But this one, oh, shit, they were so good.
Smell good too.
Yeah. What?
Sweet.
Oh, this one's good.
Wow.
Like I said, I usually don't like ananas, but or pineapple. But it's like on pizza also. It's so good in so many ways.
Yeah.
Another.
Yeah, please. You have garlic, right? You have garlic,
Oh,
right? Yeah, nice.
Always have garlic. We like to do pasta in the house. I don't know how many you need, but so this is my emote.
Duck.
Yeah.
Anka.
So we have like all this.
Aww. Oh, it's cute.
Oh yeah. Like if this goes good, then next time we're gonna do this in cosplay.
Yeah, sure. I wait for that day for a long time, man.
I've been promised you to do the.
Yeah.
How many garlic?
Take like 4.
4. I have been promising to do the like if we're gonna do makeup on him, but I haven't come there yet.
This is my coffee, right? This one?
Yeah.
Thank you. This sweet basil for the curry. But not look too fresh, but you can get some smell on it.
Yeah. So now is the question: how do you do with? Do you like use scratch or there's so many different?
My way, I just do like this.
Yeah.
Just peel it off like this.
Okay. Because I'm usually like shop there, and then.
Yeah. You can do that way too.
Yeah.
But for me, that's one's easy for me. How did you guys meet?
Hmm?
We meet in the yes for big.
Yeah, at work.
At work.
Yeah. He was the chef.
Yeah.
I was the.
And he just go to the kitchen, ask me for food all the time.
Yeah, I'm being fat.
And we are friends.
Yeah, and then we become friends.
And we become friends.
He was. I was the only one that could like handle the spicy food.
Yeah.
And then I was like, oh, I have some Carolina Reaper at home. He's like, oh, nice. And then, about the cosplay, but looks, it's gonna be good with looks too.
Yeah.
But the looks cosplay looked good. But yeah, no, but then I gave him some Carolina Reaper and asked him when you're gonna invite me for barbecue. Then it just happened. I did home for him to barbecue with Carolina Reaper and
We have some spicy sauce.
yeah, it was one more guy that was Swedish.
Yeah.
And this is the best thing ever. But like we were eating, everybody was eating. It was me and one more like Swedish guy, and the rest of our Thai.
Yeah.
And I was like looking at the other guy, and it's like Thai too did also look at that guy, and I was like, how's it going? And he's like, it's going okay. And he was like, it was so spicy for him.
He almost cry.
Yeah, it was.
But he's still eating.
Yeah, it was right. It's good. I had this friend over. I gave her one of these, and I was like, "Oh yeah, you want the beef?" And she thought it was the disgusting one, so she took one. I was like, "It's the spicy one," and she took like the like that one should be the jalapeno, not the worst one. It would be like the weakest one, and she died almost. Like no, but she was like almost crying. I was like, "Wait, you crying for that?"
So the garlic. Do you have into
That one, yeah.
Can you take it hand?
Oh, Miles! Thank you for the following.
How many chili do you want?
Yeah, how many chilies should we take? No, but
We have some dry
don't
chili.
forget to hydrate. Yeah.
Okay, we cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Because they couldn't handle the bingo, so it's so sad.
We go with 10
Yeah.
dry chili. That tastes.
Yeah. Yay. Ah. No, I've seen your name in Insane Bunny's chat. Well, welcome. What's it called? Loppis, like a sale thingy. And we found this one, and this is like the one you want. If you want the one of these, it's that mortal. It's one of the best ones. So how are you, middays? I hope you're good. And sometimes I do cooking streams. I haven't been able to do it in a while, but now when I'm in the new apartment, we have the perfect setup to do like everything. It looks like put everything like so it sits really good around here. No, someone did left the snoots here, and you like it, you can take it. You don't want it. It's been there for like 1 month.
No. Okay, I'm gonna start making curry.
Yeah.
You can bring the camera here if you want to.
The microphone, I don't know how good it is, how like long it can hear, but
It's curry paste.
some curry paste.
Yeah. This one you can buy like in Thai shop in Sweden.
You can buy the curry paste in a Thai shop somewhere in Sweden. So the things we are gonna do a curry, and we're gonna do a basilica chicken stuff, right?
But this,
Yeah.
but this one bring direct from Thailand.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we have a special curry right from Thailand because he was in Thailand for not so long ago. Hello, Benny. How are you?
So we put this one some. Mix them. And this bit oils. Oils.
Yeah. What you want? We have lemon, regular, and this is my special one.
I need regular fish.
This one you're gonna try.
Why not?
It's the
Chili inside.
yeah, and garlic.
You should chili everywhere, man.
Yeah, but this one is good. Man.
Huh?
You should like smell it when I start. It's like, oh, it's so
Yeah, because chili with oil is really good anyway.
Oh yeah, but that one is like. Oof. Now he's talking because he was like wanting oil, and I have like my special one with chili, Carolina Reaper, piri piri, and garlic in. And it's so good when it's like pour it down. That's nice. Welcome back. But some different one. This one, it's one of my favorite ones. It's perfect for salads. It's olive oil with lemon. So you have some lemon, some pepper, and black pepper, and like something more. Then it's the salad is perfect. This man.
Sorry. Did you hear me cut the rest of them?
Oh, yeah. Can you hear us good? Also?
Yeah, the black pepper.
This later, or we're not gonna use this? Yeah. Oh yeah, the grit are gonna be really, really good. Oh, yeah. No, the thing with cornstroganoff, if you don't have the onion, it's gonna be shit. Like the onion is such a big part of the yellow onion. Like it's such a big part because without it, it's gonna be something missing. Without the tomato puree and tomato sauce, it's gonna be something without that. Like you need them all.
Put the chicken in the curry.
Nice chicken in the curry.
Chicken in the curry. No cat in the curry.
Oh,
Chicken
no.
in maybe use your cat next time.
Oh yeah, we maybe use cat next time.
Maybe use your cat next time.
Det är... Tjena, det är en av mina vänner som jobbar på Nöjet. It's the chef Ty.
Yes.
So the place he works at, it's a tapas restaurant. More fancy one in my eyes. And the food is amazing there. And I've been working there for like a year or so.
Mm. And we have the Thai food in the menu too.
Yeah, they have like different, like all kind of stuff. So Thai food and more Spanish, more... Yeah, it's all kind of stuff.
Yeah, it's very nice, very
Yeah.
good, very good.
Last time he was at me
Oof.
and cooked some food. The knives were so shit.
Yeah.
And he was like...
Even cannot cut the cucumber. You're
Yeah.
nice.
That's the thing I remember.
Yeah. Remember that too. Yeah.
That was like,
I remember
this
that
time it's gonna be good knife. Now he's gonna be happy.
Yeah. You have a different of nice, so it's perfect.
Yeah. It's my girlfriend's knives.
Yeah.
She was like, you're not bringing your knives. I was like, okay. That's easier.
You have camera everywhere.
Yeah, it's hard, man. Like when he come in here, he was like, "Hi, camera." Like, camera is over that there.
You know, I like, never been in camera, so
No.
it's not.
No, it's
Only it's my phone.
yeah,
So we're gonna start silica now.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, chili. Yummy.
Yeah, this looks so tasty.
Powder.
Yeah.
And
Wait, should we try this
yeah, sure.
a little bit?
Yeah.
You take that one too, but
I'm gonna get some milk from the top first.
Yep.
So, gonna get this one. Put the silica.
wait, I'm gonna unmute.
Put the silica.
Oh yeah, I did some like I did cook some food, and then I think it was like a pasta or something, and the girlfriend was like, "Oh, it's super spicy." Yeah, I was like, "I think it's the olive oil." She's like, "It can't be that one." So then she took some on her finger or like on a spoon, and then she's like, "The fuck, it's super spicy." She's like, "No, this is that dangerous," and then boom, right in the face.
It's very good.
Yeah, it was a good amount. It's Carolina Reaper. But that was a good amount. Because we didn't get out of seed, then it's going to be a really good hotness to the food.
Yeah.
It's going to be a really good hotness to the food.
Yeah. Now you can put the bamboo in.
Oh, bamboo, yeah.
Bamboo first. Put the bamboo in.
Oh, bamboo, yeah.
Bamboo first. Everything. Nice.
Anything more?
Perfect. Now we wait a little bit so they cook. Perfect.
Yeah.
Now we wait a little bit so they cook.
Yeah.
We have like small spoon. You're gonna get smell a lot of from the chili and garlic. You're gonna get smell a lot of from.
So, what do you think about it for so long? Is it like nice? In my opinion, right now I don't know how the light really is because this screen is so dark, but I got this up really good. Everything sits really good. Can like maybe move this or something. Another. You can always move one of the cameras because it's portable. That's the best thing I bought. Like I found something from Amazon. I wanted to get my light up, my metric webcam up. I bought it and I can use it for the phone. I can show you how it like looks like on the side there. So you have like the phone hanging in the corner there. So you can just pull it out and go around with it. So. Oh, cappuccino. So the setup is pretty like, good.
Next time you can wear Ensa.
I don't have that.
You know?
I have it somewhere, but it's
What
so
is
broken.
the blue one and the blonde? What is it called?
Alice in Wonderland. I can be Alice in Wonderland.
Yeah.
You can. I can fix something. I have some stuff now.
But I see you have the new movie.
Again, if you can leave this quick.
Yeah.
You can come here.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. We leave the box. Oh my god. You want them or?
Yeah. I know what that is, but you don't like.
That's funny, man.
He needed to see the big boobas, you know, important part. I did show them the makeup box also when I did go around.
Now we put the Korea.
Carry on, yeah.
Now we put pork.
Pork.
Flat, yeah. The pork. Ooh. Wow.
A lot of smelling here.
Yeah. And now we can put a little bit water.
I love this part of the game.
Yeah, like you can do like how you say
I can watch.
mini bar.
Oh
you
yeah,
know?
yeah.
Or like shape table here.
Like if you get saying like too annoying.
Yeah, you bring 2 chairs or 3 chairs, you know here. Yeah.
My dad bought this shack for me. No, he got the.
Doesn't it usually to sit over there, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Now we can. Like perfect. It's made for this.
Yeah. Now we're gonna get one guitar. The guitar.
Yeah, we have guitar. Bass like half broken.
It's nice.
Oh, my dad was like, oh,
I love this place.
oh yeah, there's so much like in
You can cook there and like
yeah,
people sit there
exactly,
eating.
and then you can still talk with them. Yeah,
I love this.
clothes on. It's nice.
Where do you have sugar?
Sugar,
You have
here.
sugar? Just a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna show a little bit use. Yeah. Can you show a little bit use? Yeah. Can you? We got the juice on the meat, so we don't need that juice. You can save only a little bit You don't need
Like
that.
this
Yeah.
one? Yeah.
That's perfect. You can snip only a little bit. Yeah. Perfect. And this one special Thai. Sugar special Thai. Bouillon.
Bouillon.
No, sugar. How you say bouillon?
Bouillon.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It's like
Oh, yeah.
it tastes like a little bit like beef.
It's like
Yeah,
it tastes like a little bit
the
like
one with chicken.
beef.
Yeah.
Yeah, the one with chicken.
I know I have bouillon, but I usually
Yeah.
never use them. I'm so bad at using them.
I don't have bouillons, but I usually
Yeah.
never use them. I'm so bad at
In the
using them.
bacon I use small. I think it was
In the bacon I use small.
yeah, mushroom.
Mushroom.
Yeah.
Yeah, mushroom.
Mushroom. Masala. Masala. And now you can put this one in.
In this one or
In the curry.
both of them or only this one?
Yeah, in the curry. The sweet.
That other one too or
No, another one for the sweet.
that other one too or
No, another one for the sweet. For this one. Yeah. So. Nice. Yeah.
nice. It's starting to look like something. It looks really tasty.
Yeah. Yeah. We put the bamboo.
Bamboo.
We put the bamboo.
Bamboo.
Now you can put the paprika in. Now you can put the paprika in. Oil the sauce. This is oil the sauce. You have any black sauce? Just do you have any black sauce? Oh, perfect.
I have the teriyaki also with some oil and
Teriyaki.
I
Perfect.
have teriyaki also with some oil and
Teriyaki.
some oil, and then we have some others. There's some
Everywhere.
Yeah.
piri piri.
Same by apartment.
Yeah, chili everywhere. That's how life should be.
Yeah.
Chili life.
Yeah, chili everywhere. That's how life should be.
Yeah.
Chili life.
Sugar in it. Put the sugar in it. And make a bit of curry look amazing.
Yeah.
Curry look amazing.
Yeah.
Do this. You're gonna make a bigger screen so you can see more of it.
Wow. Smells so good. Because,
Yeah.
wow. Smells so
The
good.
curry is looking so amazing. I hope everybody is good today also. Just a little bit. Oh yeah, you know what this plant is?
So coffee, yeah.
Yeah.
We grew up a lot in Thailand.
Huh? I don't know how what to use.
We
Like,
grew up a lot
I used to
in
some coffee plant.
I don't know how what to use like this. I used to
Yeah,
some
it's a
coffee.
beautiful plant. I don't know if I can get beans from it, but
Yeah, no, it's a beautiful plant. I don't know if I can get beans from it, but
Take this one. You can take this one. This is masala. This is masala.
yeah,
It's good.
Yeah.
It's perfect spicy.
Yeah.
Not like it's too spicy and you cannot eat it.
no, it's a really good spiciness.
It's too spicy and you cannot eat
If
it.
you like it spicy, it's a perfect spice.
Now I put silica in.
Oh, some basilica.
Silica in.
That one smells cool. That one, man. That one smells chutney.
Now it's get smell. Yeah.
Smells chutney. It looks so tasty. Yeah.
So you guys, next time if you want me to cook something special,
Yeah.
like Thai food, you can comment and tell what.
Exactly. If you want to see anything special about like some Thai food or anything else,
Yeah.
we can try it.
Yeah. Close this.
Nine.
Close this one. You try the curry? Yeah.
No.
Nice. Take it. Try. You try the curry? Yeah.
No.
That's it. Take it. Try.
No paprika. No nothing.
Paprika.
paprika or nothing.
Paprika.
Amazing.
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 Spicy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It just come this out like spicy.
Yeah.
Wait, you're gonna make this one bigger.
Yeah. Yes.
Let's show them some food.
Juicy.
That's some juicy curry. Just a little bit.
And we're gonna use a little bit
On top. So we're gonna use some coconut stuff on the top there, just to
Yeah.
see how that becomes. Just like freshness to it. Gonna put this in here.
Happy done. Curry.
Amazing.
Not too bad.
No, it looks perfect.
Yeah. I'm gonna thin out a little bit.
Put them there. It's I don't know where to go.
This one?
I don't know where to put that right now, but I can take care of it. We need to find a good place to put them on.
Yeah.
I know we have like I can just go out and later on also. So
Can you go out?
yeah, like I have the
Okay.
big trash.
Yeah.
No, but it's been nice.
Yeah.
It's been really nice. No, but we can try one. It's not here though. I think I'm always playing.
Jalapeno.
I'm gonna see which one this is. Ooh, it's habanero. Which this one gonna be? It's habanero.
That one is there. No, that one.
Yeah. Wait, we're gonna. Oh yeah, you can take it if you want.
Oof. They look like medicine.
Yeah,
The pew.
it's like a candy. It's a candy.
Yeah. Wow.
It tastes disgusting.
It's spicy, man.
Oh, this was spicy.
Ooh.
This one was the worst one. It's worse than Carolina Reaper.
Oh.
Oh. Fuck. But the jalapeno, it tastes so disgusting. It tastes disgusting. Oh.
Ooh.
Well, okay, if you think it's spicy, then I can understand why she cried.
Oh, I'm sorry, man.
Yeah. It's disgusting. It's so disgusting.
Mm. And what about Carolina?
It's better.
No, never better.
It tastes like shit. Ah. Mark. So, high quality stuff. Yeah, it's burning on the tongue still.
Not getting a little bit sweaty.
Yeah. This one was not gonna taste better.
Right, it's already done too.
It looks amazing. I love that I'm standing here watching. Is it anything special next time you want to see us cooking? Thai food or Swedish food? We can do it.
Yeah.
Uh,
Or Spanish food.
or Spanish food. This is like the first time I stream in this new apartment. Like, it's the first time I've been rigging up everything super good, so I'm pretty happy with that. Oh yeah, it's super got it.
You see that?
Yeah, looks amazing.
Yeah.
Out of mic? No, this is Janne. This is Thai. This is Thai.
Thai from Thailand.
How are you? Hur är läget? We're gonna try to stream more. Oof, Carolina Reaper. Okay, you missed when we did use it and Bean Boozle. You missed that, so
Snack.
yeah. Next time we're gonna be double sound though, but
Yes.
it's
Gonna
all
start
good
with
here
the
too.
kitchen.
Okay, we're gonna start.
We can make so we can hear. It's gonna be double sound though, but it's all good here too. Okay, we're gonna start. We're gonna.
It's dark in there, but we're not gonna go in there. But yeah. This is the part I love with the kitchen that we can
Pretty dark in there, but
this thing I hold
I'm
in.
not gonna go in there. But yeah, this is the part I love
Yeah,
with the
like
kitchen
if
that
you
you
move
can
over the
put like this thing I hold
living
in.
room, bedroom, like a mess as always.
You have like a view over the living room, bedroom, like a mess as always. But we have the cosplays. Well, one of the cosplays.
Yeah, the thing I talked about was this thing. Like you can just I have it for the phone too, so
Yeah, the thing
we're
I
gonna
talked
go to
about
the
was
best
this
part,
thing.
the cat.
Like you can just I have it for the phone too, so yeah, we're gonna come to the best part, the cat. What do you want to say, Tash? How are you today?
Beautiful.
Strawberry
And that
plants.
table is really big. It's a little bit messy because I had people running around and our kids running around and dragging down stuff.
It's a little bit messy because I had people running around, like kids running around and dragging down stuff.
Here we have some.
Set up. Here we have some more cosplays.
Ooh, katter i livet. No, I'm really happy with this place. It's much better than the other one. And I like the open kitchen and that I can do this streaming part here. It's much easier in this kitchen. Before, I did do this. Then I took my phone and put like this. So like the phone was like here. It was not a good view. Now it's much easier to do around.
You tried it? You tried it?
I want I can only, yeah, it's good. But I can only feel the burning of the nuts.
Yeah. Oh, this one. Perfect, spicy.
It's
Right.
perfect.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, his mascot is the best. So we need to teach him some. Like we need to. But yeah, no, I believe. Yeah, I think that's everything for today because yeah, we have cooked the food.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to make a video and put it out on YouTube. But no, but it was super tasty and everything like that. I recommend it to like try to do Thai food. It's always nice to try something new.
Yeah.
Gonna stop down you see if we have some people that are doing the kind of same thing like us.
Like you mean like
We're gonna
live
see-
stream or?
Yeah, we're gonna see if someone is like everybody's at the same place. No.
Yeah, should they have it there?
I don't know if it's English even.
Chocolate chip cookie.
You're gonna hear Asian, French, English. Yeah, so let's do that one. But yeah, no, but no, right. But bottle life. Yeah, but no, I think it's everything for today. It's been amazing. I'm gonna stream some Bioshock tomorrow. if you like the content, yeah, I hope you like. Yeah, you can put a follow if you only like it. You doesn't need to follow, but it means a lot. And yeah, everybody, thanks for coming by. It's been amazing.
Yes.
And hope you enjoy the company of Ty.
Yes.
We're gonna do some more in the future. So yeah.